Hey guys, this is a step-by-step guide on how to set up the Costco Bahama Bay pop-up beach tent, or any other tent that has the same mechanisms as this tent. They are actually harder than you think, and of course come with absolutely no instructions. And if you think you can set it up on first go with no instructions, then keep dreaming. Easier with 2 people, but can be done with 1. Your first thing to do is unpack your contents and lay it down as seen, making sure your roof is facing up and the Bahama Bay sign is facing the front. Once it's laid down, it's time to pick up the roof as seen from the middle and get in under the tent while still holding the middle. And by giving it a little push up till it snaps in tight. Then we're going to start with one of the other sides first. So push one of the sides in left or right, doesn't matter. And if you have someone else, get them to help you push it out. Now the other side. And lastly, the back. Then roll out your front entrance mat, grab your pegs, etc. and secure it to the sand, and there you have it. Pulling it down can be even trickier, but again, by having a person to help you from behind will be beneficial. So this time we're just going to go backwards from how we set it up. So while holding your roof, to keep it steady, collapse one of your sides first. Then proceed to the other side and collapse. Then the back, all while holding your rooftop.
Right.
Then get out and drop your roof down, laying it flat and then collapse it. Now pick up your ends and bring them into the middle to meet each other. Then your bottom base as well. And shape it and bring it all together so you can place it into the carry bag. Then there you have it. Hope this has been instructional. If not, hope you have just enjoyed watching my video. Take care.